XJR pilots. We have a good one today. We are back and we have a showcase with the AVANTI S 8mm. Going with our high performance series here. Let's take a look at this bird. It's beautiful, man. Got some good pictures on the site here. Look at that size of that guy. Nice looking plane. I'm pretty sure for you advanced pilots, you would love this AVANTI S. Great lines. The scheme, the livery, looks like it'd be easy to spot in the sky. Grass built landing gear. Grass ready. Oh, wow. Lights. Look at those lights on the wings. Picture those are nice and bright. Flaps. Okay, let's look at the specs here. Hour build time. That's pretty good. Skill level is for the advanced guys, so you need to know what you're doing before you fly this bird. Nice setup here. Again, our build time looks good. Wingspan is nice. It's fast. Tractable gear. Here's all your specs. 6-channel. Nice. Okay. They have some accessories I think you can get with this guy too. Let's see here. Okay, let's go ahead and look at some of the videos. They have a build video. Yes, you know I love build videos. Flight reviews. Lots of videos on the 80S here. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at this one. And thank you Motion RC for the footage, and Mike is our pilot. Let's check it out. Let's go XJR pilots. Well, that's all I got for you today. We have so many more of these high performance jets in our series coming, and Motion just launched a new Banshee, so we're going to showcase that guy too. Thank you so much. We love you. Thank you for all the support. And again, we finally have our own jet, and we are putting it together. We will be making videos on it soon, so stick with us. We are back. So much love, and always remember, push past your limits with XJR.